Hey cruise fans, this is Huddle Adventures. I'm Eddie. Laura's in here right now. I'm going to break down the 3 top things you need to pack for your next cruise. Let's go. Number 1, a cruise ship approved power strip. What is that? It's basically a power strip without a surge protector built in. But to make sure you are getting a cruise ship approved power strip, just go to Amazon and type cruise ship approved power strip in the search bar and you'll see a bunch of different options pop up. This is the one we use. I actually have 2 of these. And why do we have 2? Well, we have 2 because when we're sailing with our family, their stateroom can have one of these also. And if you notice, if you look, you'll see that not only do they have your standard 110 outlet for plugging in devices, they also have USB ports. And if you get a good one, it'll be a high-speed USB adapter built in for charging your devices. And that's really important in a cruise stateroom because cruise staterooms are notorious for having very few power outlets. So make sure you bring one of these. Also, usually on a cruise ship, you will have a European outlet, which is useless to you unless you have one of these. Now that is a European adapter, and again, if you look at this one, that's the one we have, it also has USB ports built into it as well. So all you need to do is bring your wires. You don't have to bring your charging blocks because you can plug them directly into these devices. On to number 2. This is one that people don't even think about, but a first aid kit. Number 2 is a first aid kit. Why would you need to bring a first aid kit? I thought there was a hospital on board, there's medical staff on board, all those things. And that is true. There is medical services on board, but they charge you. It's expensive. So in order to avoid expensive charges on your cruise, take a few minutes and put yourself a first aid kit together. I recommend getting a variety of different size band-aids, a roll of gauze, medical tape. So, you know, if you have like you fall and scrape your knee and you need a bigger bandage, you can make one out of gauze and tape. Neosporin for cleaning wounds. Eye drops in case you get anything in your eye or you're having issues with allergies or whatnot. Antacid pills. You do eat a lot on cruises and you'll be eating a lot of rich foods and things you've probably never tried before, spicy foods, and acids are really good to have with you. Pain relievers, of course. Pain relievers for aches and pains, excursions, all the walking. You might want to take ibuprofen and you might want to take like a Tylenol or aspirin or migraine headache pills if you get migraines. Motion sickness medication. It's good to take that even if you've never had any motion sickness issues in the past. Taking some with you is a good idea. And then finally, aloe. Aloe is good to have in case you get some type of burns. You know, even if you have sunblock, you still could end up getting burned, and aloe will take that pain away. And to top off your first aid kit, throw a pair of tweezers in there. You don't want to go to medical unless you really have to. No one wants to pay $200 for, you know, a Band-Aid and an aspirin, whatever. Okay, number 3, skin protection. Skin protection. What am I talking about? Well, it's pretty obvious. Sunblock. Make sure you get a waterproof sunblock or water-resistant sunblock. High quality. We have the best luck with the spray-on type. They usually come in 6-ounce cans like that. And they work out really well. And the higher quality, the more expensive brands tend to do the best job of holding up to water. So, you know, I recommend spending a little extra money and getting the name brand or a, you know, generic brand that has the same ingredients as the name brand. Don't go to like the dollar store and buy your sunblock. Don't play with that. The Caribbean sun is on a different level, guys. It will burn you up. And bug spray. You will encounter insects you didn't even know existed that like to bite you on some of the excursions you go on. It is crazy. I had some kind of black fly bites all over my legs in Mexico. And you know why? Because I didn't have the bug repellent with me. I forgot it. I left it in the stateroom. Had our sunblock, but didn't have that. So make sure you bring bug spray. And that is something, the sunblock and bug spray, you want to take with you when you get off the ship. You might have to reapply sunblock multiple times per day. So taking like 2 bottles of that's a good idea. And with that, I want to thank you for tuning in. If you enjoy our content, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button, the like button, turn the bell on so you don't miss anything. We are All Things Cruising. We're here for you. Those things are free to you and they help our channel grow. Talk to you later. Bye.
Hello, you don't even know my name, but I am happy you came by. No lessons learned, of course you're gonna leave us soon as you came across who I